Okay, so this won't take long, just a minute or two. I ran my code. I had more stuff here before, but I want you to do that. And I saw that I made a really rookie mistake. It took me a minute to see it, but it's like I read this, I'm like, what? Race car? Cannot find the symbol, and it can't find the method. So if you look at it, like, what the heck? There's the method right there. It's a constructor. But then I was a rookie here, and in this one, I totally forgot the word new. Oh, that was weak. Right? And then it's more okay with that. So ran the code. You can even check it here. Like if you're wondering, like, did I do what I needed to do? It looks like it works for time and toString and compute time. And so I did, the time compute here. It tested that out and made sure I did that right. But then it's like, okay, you should print 2 lines. I didn't print anything here. So, and here you should use math.random when you test it. So I forgot to print something, and testing output's correct. So it tells you what you got right and what you got wrong. So in here you can create the finishing time. So hopefully when you want to use that method you wrote right here, right, compute the finishing times, it's going to return a double, right? So you got to be careful when you make this here. One, that you're using an object, right? You got to use an object when you call this method, because it's not a static method. It just says public double compute time. So you better use an object when you compute the time, and you got to store your variable and understand what the output of this compute time will result in, and the fact that it relies on a distance, and they set it up top. So I'll let you finish this up and make sure you print your lines, and then when you run your code and get it, hopefully it works for you. All right, send me an email if you have any questions or need help. All right, talk to you later, people.